Did you know that humpback whales don't have teeth? They're baleen whales, which means that they have long French strands of baleen that hang from the roof of their mouth. This helps them filter food from the water. Humpback whales can be found in all the world's oceans, but little whale lives in the Pacific Ocean. Did you hear, little whale? Which instrument makes that sound? Choose it now. You chose the French horn. You're right. Little whale loves the French horn. Maybe because it sounds similar to the songs that he and his humpback whale friend sing underwater. The French horn is part of the brass family of instruments. I guess that means that the trumpet, trombone, and tuba are the French horn's brothers and sisters because they're brass instruments too. The French horn has tubing that's coiled into a circle. It leads into a flared bell at the end. Maybe the next time you hear a humpback whale singing in the ocean, you'll think of a French horn.